What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm super excited to be filming this video because this is Pride Month, which is obviously, besides my birthday, New Year's, and any other month, this is very important to me. Why? Because if you didn't know, I am a gay man, a proud, very proud gay man. So if you didn't know, Morphe did come out with a new collaboration, partnered with the Trevor Project. The Trevor Project is the leading national organization providing crisis intervention and suicide prevention services to lesbian, gays, bisexual, transgenders, queer, and questioning young people under the age of 25. I think this is an awesome collaboration. I know that Morphe every year tends to come out with a new Pride collection, but I think this one really, to me, is special because of the partnering with the Trevor Project, and they also are donating proceeds from the brush set, the mirror, and the palette that I'm going to show you today. So yeah, so that's what I have for you guys today. Let's sit back, grab your makeup, and let's just create a nice, funky, crazy rainbow eyes. So my idea for today's video is actually, this is thing going around TikTok that you take, I guess, paper towel or some toilet paper and you dip it in the eyeshadow and then you dab it and it looks like abstract art. It looks so bomb. So that is what we're gonna do today. So definitely join in. Like I said, grab your makeup, grab your toilet paper, because this is about to be real funky. If you are new to my channel, hi, welcome, stick around, and let's play with makeup and make this a wonderful gay old video. And for my returning subscribers, you guys already know, gang, I love you guys to death. So without further ado, guys, let's just get ready into this video. Alright, so of course, as you see, I completely forgot to do my eyebrows. So right before we get into all that, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. For those of you who don't know, I use the NYX Micro Brow pencil in the shade Black, and this e.l.f. pomade in the shade Espresso. This combination is amazing. And then I just use regular concealer to clean out my brows. So let me do that really quick, and yeah, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so brows are done. Love, look at this. Ooh, there's just something about when the brows are done. Can nobody tell me nothing? Can nobody tell me nothing? Let me calm down. Anyway, so like I said, brows are done. Now let's just get ready for this eyeshadow, which I'm super excited. I never tried this method before. Like I said, I saw it on TikTok because literally TikTok is taking over the world. Obviously, I got some toilet paper. I have Bounty, like the thick Bounty for paper towels, so I don't know if that's gonna work. So I'm gonna go in with this and see if that works, and if not, we're gonna go to get the Bounty. So, but let me show off this collection, of course. So the collection obviously comes with a mirror, an eyeshadow palette, and a brush set. So let's start off with the mirror. I think everything came out to like $45 if you buy like the entire bundle. Which is not a bad price, honestly. So this baby right here, this is the mirror. It says live with love, obviously Morphe. I'm gonna zoom it in for you guys. Look at it, it's so cute, right? Really cute mirror, and one thing about it, it is not like no cheapy type of thing. It literally has a nice weight to it. It's good. I've been dying to get a mirror. I have a mirror by another company that I obviously not using anymore or support. So I was really excited when obviously this came out. It's gay, it's in your face, it's with love, and it's a cute mirror. So then we have the eyeshadow brush set here. I think this packaging is so cute. This is the Live with Love Morphe palette. Love the packaging. It is so gay, it is so in your face. Can nobody tell me nothing? Like, back up. You don't like no gays, oh well. And when you open it, this is the palette right here. Huge mirror, holy damn with the mirror. I did play with it, it's a little dirty already. This palette is really cute. So I'm gonna prime with my Everyday K Primer Potion. I love this. Ooh, I just love it so much. Like, it's like the best thing in the world. What I'm going to do though, I'm gonna split this little flag in between my two eyes. So I'm gonna do the blue, So I think I'm gonna do the yellow, orange, and red on my left eye, which is your right. And then I'm gonna do green, blue, and this magenta pink on this eye. And yeah, so let's start it off. I think that you grab it like this and then you kind of scrunch it like this, right? Oh my god, I'm so nervous, guys, not even funny. So we're gonna start off with this shade right here called Show Compassion. I'm just gonna rub it up in there. I feel like this is gonna take all my eyeshadow, but okay. Ooh, you see that? Oh, so excited. Okay. So now I'm gonna put this on the end of the eye, right here. I'm gonna hold it and kind of massage it in, and ooh, do you see that? Oh my god. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the blue, which is this one right here, and it's called Stand Up. Beautiful navy blue right there. Ooh, see it? Okay. This is gonna go right next to that one right here. Wow, that's really pretty. So now the green I have here is called Strive, which is this one right here, right? I already have my little my little paper, whatever you call it. I'm gonna go into the green. Okay, so let's take this and go right in there. Ooh. Okay, so tell me that doesn't look cool. I kind of went overboard on this side, but I'm gonna clean it up with concealer. But tell me this doesn't look freaking cool. Like, literally looks like graphic crazy art. Like, smoke. Ooh, I cannot wait. And now we're gonna go in with some red. The red in the palette is called Stay Strong, which is this one right here. So I have my little paper towel. Then I'm gonna really coat this baby up. Now we're gonna place that right here. Look at that. I wanna know who just decided to wake up one day and do this, because this is so freaking dope. Like, I would have been doing my eyeshadow like this all the time. Seriously. Alright, so let's move on to the orange. The orange is called Take Action, which is this one right here. Alright, so I got the orange, right? This is done. Right there. Ooh, look at that. Oh my god, yo, this looks so crazy on camera. It looks so good. Okay, so let's do the yellow. And the yellow is Share Joy, which is the middle shade right here. And place that right there in the inner part of my eye. Ooh, look at that. Tell me this doesn't look freaking cool, bro. Okay, let me wipe this off and I'll be right back. Give me 2 seconds. Alright, so that's basically the shadow right there. I don't know, for some reason I feel like making it a little bit more extra, obviously, and maybe putting some like glitter topper on it. Hold on, let me see. Maybe this Super Shock shadow in Frog. Maybe this one right here. It's like silvery thing. Let me see. I just don't want to mess it up. Oh yes, honey. Okay, yep. This is it. Alright, so I'm gonna prep my face really quick. I'm gonna go in with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost City Shield. This is just really hydrating for under eyes. If you know, my under eyes are super dry. And then for moisturizer, I'm gonna go in with the Believe True Aqua Bomb moisturizer. This baby, I'm telling you, this is like my 4th bottle easily. It is a little pricey, but this is so good, especially for oily skin, because it is like a gel consistency, so it doesn't linger on top of your skin. It just soaks it all up. So I'm gonna do this really quick, and then we can move on to primer water, and all that good stuff. Guys, so face is moisturized, all that good stuff. So before we get into the primer, I want to do a little bit of setting spray, and I want to go in with my current favorite setting spray, which I'm almost done with. But I'm talking about the Benefit Professional Super Setter. I got this little mini one, which I'm about to run and get the full-size one. So for primer, I'm gonna go in with the Jelly Pop Dupe primer. I've really been loving this primer, like literally. But because I'm gonna go in with another matte foundation today, I want a little bit of dewiness, and I put a lot of this. I ain't gonna lie, I put like 4 pumps. Because awesome. Guys, so for foundation, I'm gonna go in with one of my holy grails, favorite foundation when I really want like a glam look. And of course, I'm going in with this baby. This is the Maybelline Up to 24 Hours Foundation. I am in the shade 120 Ivory. This is the Super Stay. This, honey, if you wanna be glam, get this. I'm telling you right now, it is so bomb, especially for oily skin. It is so good. And of course, I'm gonna take my dual complexion brush from e.l.f. And apply my foundation. So for concealer, I want to go in with my baby, with my holy grail, with my, and I'm talking about obviously the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I am in the shade Light Sand. I love this concealer. Of course, I'm gonna blend it out with my little e.l.f. Camo sponge, right? So let's set this concealer now before it starts crack. So I'm gonna go and use this baby. I haven't used it in so long. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I am in the shade Light 15. So I'm gonna go in with the Milani Cheek Kids Coral Crush. That's the shade. This is their cream blush. These are super pigmented and crazy nice. So I'm not gonna take too much. I'm literally just gonna take it with my finger. And so for bronzer, for blush, and for highlight, I'm using one palette, and I'm going back to this baby. This is the BFF Alondra and Alyssa collaboration. This collaboration was amazing. I do have a video up demoing the product. As you can see, I do use it a lot. But it is just a beautiful palette. So you get a highlighter, a blush, contour shade, bronzer, bomb diggity. Alright, I'm gonna take my Real Techniques 227 brush just to bronze, and I'm gonna go into these two just a little bit. So as you can see, my face is all bronzed up. Ooh, yes, it's so pretty, right? So now we're gonna go into the blush in this palette. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. Stipple brush, and I'm gonna go in here and just really coat this brush. Whoa, that was a lot. Kind of set this blush. See that? Oh my God, I love this. I'm telling you, they violated this collection. It's so pretty. And of course, for highlighter, we're gonna go into the same palette, and I'm gonna take my highlighting brush, and I'm gonna go right in here. I don't put too much highlighter, but I think because of today's video, why not go in a little bit harder, right? I'm just saying. Look at that. Look at that go. Oh my God. BH and their, they do not play when it comes to their stuff. BH is amazing. I love BH, but you see that glow. Oh my God. Alright, so for liner, I think I want to do like a purple on this eye, and then I have this reddish weird, I don't know why it looks purple on camera, but I do have a red lip liner, right? But I'm scared that if I put it on my eye, I don't know, something bad's gonna happen. So let me just go in with the purple on this side and see how that looks, and then we'll move on to the red eye, of course. Also, these are these are the ColourPop BFF gel liners. Alright, let me see how this one looks on the other side. This one is in the shade Charmer. Alright, so lips, I kind of want to do like a regular little neutral pinky thing. I don't know, it's a lot going on. I want a crazy lips. So I have the Milani Easy Liner in Most Natural to outline my lips. And then I have this lip gloss from ColourPop. This is the Luxe Gloss in the shade Tied Up. This is one of my favorite ones because it's like a pinky neutral type of thing. I love it. So let me outline my lips. Lips are outlined. Now let's get this gloss, and this smells so good. Like, oh my God, I love Alright guys, so this is the end of the video, and tell me I don't look like a baddie. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Can nobody tell me nothing. But yeah guys, let me chill because I'm just really feeling myself, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I look so good. Anyways, whatever. I just want to say that I am a very, very proud gay man, and can't nobody tell me nothing. Can nobody tell me nothing about being no gayer, less gayer, or whatever the case may be. So if you watching this video and you are like, oh, it is 2021. Can't nobody tell you nothing. The best thing in the world is to be yourself and live your life. Your life that you're meant to live, okay? I always said if you are born gay, it's because you are a strong mother lover. You are one of the strongest kids that God created, and I stand by that. I've been through up and down, but would I ever go back in time and wish that I wasn't gay? Absolutely not. I will be gay over and over and over again. Not only because I love being gay, I mean, you know, I love me some man too, but besides that, no, it's just, it's an amazing privilege to be gay, and yeah, can't nobody tell me nothing. Besides all that ranting, guys, thank you so much for coming back and hanging out with your boy. I am in love with today's look. I am so happy with this video. I don't know if you could tell, but I'm really happy that I even filmed this video. Little funny thing, I actually filmed this video 2 days ago and I did not like how it turns out. That's why I recreated it, and I'm in love. And I'm kind of in a better mood today. So that goes to show you that days are up and down, but as long as you move forward and you stay positive and you stay true to yourself, you'll be the happiest person in the world. But with that being said, guys, thank you so much for coming back, hanging out with your boys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell on so you will never miss an upload. And if you are new here and you stay to the end, thank you so much. I hope you're joining the family, right? Yeah, guys, thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.